All right, I'm going to do a couple of typing tests with all of my different keyboards, and you will be able to hear the difference, and also maybe it'll give you some ideas about what keyboards you want to try. So here it goes. First, the Paragon. $89. Okay, next keyboard. This one's a doozy because it has no it has no legends. So if you don't know where your keys are, you're gonna have to learn how to touch type very fast with this one. Okay. That was a mistake. Oh well. It's all about the typing experience. What's going on? Okay. Probably my second favorite is the Mysterium. And this one is just a beauty. Okay, pretty good. So that was 4 keyboards. Let me know which one you think sounded best.